ముద్దుగుమ్మల క్యాట్ వాక్ తో రాజసం ఉట్టిపడే కల్కి ఫ్యాషన్ షో ఆహతుల్ని మంత్రముగ్ధులు చేసింది. భారతీయ సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయాలు లేటెస్ట్ ట్రెండ్స్ కలగలిపి డిజైన్ చేసిన కల్కి బ్రాండ్ తమ లేటెస్ట్ జహన కలెక్షన్స్ ని హైలైట్ చేశారు. ఫలక్నామా ప్యాలెస్ లో నిర్వహించిన ఫ్యాషన్ షోలో బాలీవుడ్ స్టార్స్ వరుణ్ ధావన్, తారా సుతారియాలు షో స్టాపర్స్ గా నిలిచారు. ట్రెడిషనల్ కలెక్షన్స్ తమకెంతో నచ్చాయన్నారు వరుణ్ ధావన్. హైదరాబాద్ హోమ్ సిటీలో ఉంటుందన్నారు వరుణ్.
I think that we are very excited to be here for Kalki. It's their first standalone show and they've done a great job. It's a made in India brand and excited to walk here. We're excited with the collection and I think we look good. Work is tremendous. I think they're leading the movement for pan-India films and they're doing world-class work, I would say. For me, I have a lot of memories in Ramoji Rao Film City because I've been here when my father was shooting. I've been here when I have shot so many films here. And truly, if you want to make larger than life scale films, you have to come to Hyderabad. I only wear such festive clothes when there are festivals on or someone's getting married. Today nobody's getting married, but we won these clothes.
Your song is out.
My song is out, yeah.
True.
So maybe to celebrate Bijuria, I won this today, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner than Tara Sutaria.
I've really enjoyed coming to Hyderabad over the last 10-15 years. Actually, I've been coming quite often. I love the food, I love the culture, I love shooting here, and I love the people. It's a color I've never actually worn before. I get very shy to wear deeper, darker colors unless it's black, and I'm really glad that I tried that today. It's really beautiful and regal and elegant. I was actually doing a musical, like a theatre musical, and I met my guide and mentor Karan Johar at the same time. And he actually asked me if I'd like to do Student of the Year too when I was 19 and I was still in college. So I said next year after I graduate, I'd love to, and that's actually how it happened. I've known Varun actually since the beginning of my career because we were both launched by Dharma. So that's how we were introduced to each other at the Dharma office. So it's been, I think, 8-9 years that I've known Varun. But our first time working together, I think.
Yeah.
And really special.
Actually, this is the first time we are collaborating or doing something. But
Yeah.
I think she's such a talented girl. You know, she's that full package. She can dance, she can sing, she can act. And she's also a lovely human being, so it's been fun. I think it's been fun.
Very
We've had fun.
fun.
We've had
Very
fun.
fun.
No,
More than
honestly,
what women brands
honestly,
pay you.
more than us, they paid us in emotion. They paid us in a lot of emotion, and there's a lot of emotion, and it's a family-owned brand,
Yeah.
you know, and it stands for so much culture, and we enjoyed just seeing their happiness. Made us want to give it
And such
our
lovely people,
Yeah,
honestly.
such lovely
Really,
people there,
really.
honestly.